everyone. In today's video, I will be discussing about impacts of China's one-child policy. The 20th century witnessed the birth of modern family planning and its effects on the fertility of hundreds of millions of couples around the world. In 1979, China formally initiated one of the world's strictest family planning programs, the one-child policy. Despite its obvious significance, the policy has been significantly understudied. Data limitations and a lack of detailed documentation have hindered researchers. However, it appears clear that policy has affected China's economy and society in ways that extend well beyond its fertility rate. The one child policy was a program that was implemented nationwide by the Chinese government in 1980 in order to limit most Chinese families to one child each. The policy was enacted to address the growth rate of China's population, which the government viewed as being too high. In late 2015, the government announced that the one child limit per family would end in 2016. The fertility rate decreased after 1980. The birth rate decreased after 1980. The overall rate of natural increase means the difference between the birth rate and the death rate declined. The Chinese government estimated that some 400 million births were prevented by the policy, although some analysts dispute this finding. As sons were generally preferred over daughters, the overall sex ratio in China became skewed towards males. In 2016, there were 33.59 million more men than women. Because of the preference for sons, there was a rise in the number of abortions of female fetuses. The number of female babies killed, abandoned, or placed in orphanages increased as a result of the policy. Incentives were offered to families complying with the policy, including financial perks and greater employment options. Millions of Chinese parents had to endure strict enforcement methods of the policy, including forced sterilization and forced abortions. In families that already had one child, the births of additional children in violation of the one-child policy were often undocumented, leading to many problems later on for those children as they struggle to receive an education or find work. Even after the one-child policy was rescinded, China's birth and fertility rates remained low, leaving the country with a population that was aging too rapidly as well as a shrinking workforce. It has also created major age and gender imbalances in the process. In addition to sweeping social and economic instability, the policy has proven problematic on any individual level. An entire generation of Chinese has essentially grown up spoiled and without siblings. The resulting shift in social behavior is often referred to as the Little Emperor effect, and researchers have now quantified its impact in a study published this week in Science. Researchers gathered 4 to 1 participants from urban Beijing, where the one-child policy has been strictly enforced since 1979. Participants were split into two groups, the first comprising people born in the few years leading up to the introduction of the policy, and the second comprising people born in the few years after. Thus, the participants were all approximately the same age but had grown up in very different social contexts. Participants played 4 different cooperative games, which allowed researchers to isolate and measure the contrast between the behaviors of the pre and post policy participants. One particular game focused on trust. The first player was given a sum of money and had the option to either keep it or give a portion to second player. Whatever sum the player chose to give away would be doubled, and the second player would then have the opportunity to give some back to the first player. In both player positions, the first policy group chose to give away less money, demonstrating that they were generally less trusting of other players and likewise less trustworthy. In other games, they shied away from risk and competition, tending instead towards pessimism and, in some cases, even neuroticism. The researchers say parenting plays a major role in establishing these social behaviors. But without siblings in the picture, parents had fewer opportunities to teach social skills such as sharing. The researchers warn that if the personalities of an entire generation tend toward being self centered and uncooperative, it could have major ramifications on the Chinese society as a whole. The effect of China's one child policy then are as much about the quality of its children as the quantity. Thank you so much.